We end tonight's show with a story that's far less complicated. It's a story about a very simple question. What makes a family? Is it only blood relations and marriage? Or can relations based simply on love be called family too? India's top court, the Supreme Court of India, is making a case for broadening the definition of family. It recently observed that unmarried partners and queer relationships can be familial relationships too. The court said that while such units may be atypical, they're as real as traditional families. Here's a report.
What is a family? Depends on who you ask. Legally, blood or marital relations make a family. Convention says a mother, a father, and children make a nuclear family. People say friends are family. India's top court is making a case for broadening the definition of family. It says familial relationships may take the form of domestic, unmarried partnerships or queer relationships, meaning an unmarried couple is family, so is a same-sex couple. The court was hearing a unique case. A government employee was denied maternity leave. Why? Because she had previously availed leave to take care of her husband's child from a previous marriage. Her situation was atypical. So what did the court do? It granted her maternity leave. The court said, the black letter of the law must not be relied upon to disadvantage families which are different from traditional ones. India's Supreme Court batted for atypical families. It said the family structure may change over time, be it through death or divorce. Also, there are families that may not adhere to societal expectations. Should such families not get legal protection or social welfare? The court said, these manifestations of love and of families may not be typical, but they are as real as their traditional counterparts. Such atypical manifestations of the family unit are equally deserving not only of protection under law, but also of benefits available under social welfare legislation. The observation is significant. It is progressive. They say for the law to remain relevant, it must change with time. And India's top court is signaling its openness to change. It is raising uncomfortable truths like the unfair burden on women. The court says gendered roles assigned to women and societal expectations mean that women are always pressed upon to take a disproportionate burden of childcare work. Women in India spend up to 352 minutes per day on unpaid work. And this is 577% more than the time spent by men. Should a woman pay a penalty to be a mother? No, says the court. Its observations lay the groundwork for giving legal rights to women who choose surrogacy or adoption to become mothers. It says women, quote-unquote, take on the role of motherhood in ways that may not find a place in the popular imagination. This observation is also being seen as a step towards legalizing same-sex marriage. India decriminalized homosexuality in 2018, but it does not recognize same-sex marriage. Now, India's top court has said that queer relationships are family as well. So, coming back to the question, what makes a family? You could say love. Love is what makes a family.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.